Hey, what's up guys, it's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Mobile Movementess or the MoMo, and I think this is a manga from Japan, and this is a feminine robot or mecha, and the scale of this kit is 1 and 1/4 scale, but it's tall. It's about 18 centimeters, even though it's a high grade. It's a tall kit. So I don't know what kind of mecha is this. Not familiar if this is like from the bubblegum crisis, something like that, or whatsoever. But all I know is this is like RC from the Flame Toys or the 4i model Transformer, parang ganun sila, or kay Windblade or Windtalker. So correct me if I'm wrong, just comment it in the comment section. So this is one of the sexiest kit I have. So pwede ito sa mga collector na mahilig sa yung mga girl model kits like that. So parang siyang may hahalin tulad natin sa ganung kit. But I think this is somehow a mecha that is being piloted. Correct me if I'm wrong again. Anyway, let's review this kit, which is very intriguing, very nice, and very appealing and arousing because of this mecha boobs and mecha butt. Ayan o, mecha puwet. O, diba? Ganda ng shape ng puwet niya. Sexy, diba? Anyway, this is very easy to build. It took me around 1 hour to finish this because it's really easy, promise. This is good for beginner if you're going to begin with Gunpla or Mecha model kit collection. This is one of great start kasi madali lang siyang i-build. So this is made in Japan. So I thought first this is a Chinese model kit, but this is Japanese made. And yep, the articulation of this kit is very nice. Pwede siyang parang ninja moves na galawan, ganun. So the head can bow and tingala like this and iling-iling like that, and yep, there's movement on the upper torso dito sa may suso niya. Yan, may utong pa nga yan, yung mecha utong, di ba? So yan, pwede nag-rotate yan, may ball joint, so very nice. Dito sa may shoulder can raise up to this far, and can rotate 360 degrees, but be careful because medyo stiff and brittle yung dito sa may shoulder niya na to, so it can only raise up to this far. For me, I will not force this thing to rotate so much because baka mabali ko. Anyway, the elbow can bend up to this far, and the hands, obviously I changed to the tall and decal hands, black hands like that. So gusto ko yung maging expressive yung kanyang kamay, so like this. So ganda, diba? Okay, and the legs can kick up to this far, pero iano natin, medyo iikot natin to para magkaroon ng magandang movement, something like that. Yep. And the thigh has rotation here, you can rotate 360 degrees. The knees can bend, double jointed. So let's remove first the gun. Yep. The knees can bend like this, and the feet can swivel from side to side, can plantar flex and extend. So parang siyang ang galing parang siyang nakatakong, yung babaeng nakatakong. So ayan, naiiwan yung shoes niya, ganyan. Yeah, diba? Ang galing. So, it's my first time to see a mecha na may takong astig. Diba? Ang galing, oh. And the weapons, you can choose where to attach these weapons, either here on the shin or this thigh or the back. Yan, mayroong mga suotan ng weapons dito sa back. The butt is really nice. Ang ganda ng puwet niya. Oh, shit. Then, there we can put some plug here para malagay mo din yung weapon. So, primary weapon here is this katana. We got this katana and this curved katana and straight katana. So, straight sword. So, ayan. Yan lang. Simple weapon. This is a melee weapon na user. And meron siyang gun, pistol. Stick yung pistol niya maliit. And yun nga, malaki yung kamay, hindi na kasya. So diskartihan na lang kung paano ko ikakabit to. Anyway, pistols can be placed here. Yan, meron siyang holster dito. Or you can turn this around like that. And how can we put this up? Okay, like this na lang. Ayan. Oh. Can rotate this and this. So we can put it like this. Ayan. So this is the pistol and the swords. So she got swords and pistol. Yung mata niya is red. So this is not sticker. And this kit doesn't have any stickers. So these are all color separated kit or plastic. And so let's check the height comparison. So this is 144 scale, and let's compare it with the regular master grade kit here. I have here the Gundam Mark II, and they're of the same height. Ayan. So para silang 18 centimeters. So thank you so much for watching this short review of the mobile Movementess, and I recommend this kit for beginners, and this is very fun to build. And if you're a collector of frame arms girl or any girl mecha, this may suit you. This kit might suit you up. Okay, goodbye, God bless, take care. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, saying God bless, masalamat, sayonara, paalam sa inyong lahat, auf Wiedersehen, adios.